Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Agreement Template Builder in DocuSign eSignature. This feature allows you to quickly prepare and send documents for electronic signing, streamlining your document workflow and eliminating the need for printing, scanning, or mailing physical paperwork. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login information ready to access the platform's full suite of features. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find several options. Click on Agreement to access the document preparation area. This is where you'll initiate the process of creating and sending agreements for signature. Now look at the upper left panel of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Start Now. Click on this to begin building your agreement. This action opens up the document upload interface where you can select the file you want to send for signing. Next, click on Upload, and from the options that appear, select Desktop. This allows you to choose files that are stored locally on your computer rather than from cloud storage or other sources. A file browser window will open, giving you access to your computer's folders and files. Browse through your files and select the document you want to upload. Then click Open. The file will begin uploading to DocuSign's platform. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this might take a moment, so be patient while the system processes your document. Once your document is uploaded, you'll need to specify who should receive it for signing. Enter the recipient's name in the text field provided below the document. This ensures that the agreement is sent to the correct person and helps maintain clear records of who's involved in the transaction. Below the name field, enter the recipient's email address. This is crucial because DocuSign will send the signing request to this email, so double check that it's accurate before proceeding. Next, you'll want to add context to your request by entering a subject line and message. The subject helps recipients quickly understand what the document is about, while the message can include any specific instructions or additional information they might need before signing. After filling in these details, click Next in the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to the document editor where you can add signature fields and other required elements. In the left sidebar, you'll see a variety of field options available. You can add signature fields, initial fields, stamps, date signed fields, name fields, text fields, number fields, and other standard fields, depending on your document's requirements. Simply drag and drop these fields onto the document where you need the recipient to provide information or sign. Take your time positioning these fields accurately on the document. You can place signature fields where formal signatures are needed, initial fields for acknowledgements on specific pages, and text or number fields for any additional information the recipient needs to provide. Once you've added all the necessary fields and are satisfied with your setup, click Send in the bottom right corner. This finalizes the agreement and sends it to your recipient for signature. They'll receive an email with a link to access and sign the document electronically. That's it, you've successfully created and sent an agreement using DocuSign's template builder. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.